Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel once more. My name is Omenoko Moses. Today I harvested my first pineapple from my home garden. Well, if you're coming to my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you've not done that before, hit the like button and see how I turned this beautiful pineapple to smoothie. Thank you.
My first pineapple harvest from my farm.
I have another one coming out here.
My first pineapple harvest.
Well, it actually fell off on its own. I just came around and found that it has fallen off today. At this point, I'm peeling the pineapples and trying to make it into a smoothie.
So the pineapple, very small, very tiny. The first fruit from the garden is what it looks like.
I had to taste one for the culture. So I had earlier sliced cucumbers, carrots, banana. I think those are the only three things I sliced. Then I had to add the pineapples to it and further blend them together. Don't forget that the pineapple is from my home garden. I planted this pineapple about 2.5 years ago. That was in, I think that was 2021 December. It was 2021 December or 2022 December. But I have the video. You can go check out the video where I planted the pineapples earlier. You can see the process.
I know you want to enter. You have been moving up and down so that you enter the camera.
Please subscribe to my channel. I'm begging. All right, thank you.